Hello friend, today we take a video for the colorful LED beauty mask. Okay, this is a box. Okay, well, this is a mask that with neck. Okay, this is for face. Okay, and this is for the neck. Okay, now we collect them and then the test. Okay, this is the adapter. This is the controller. Okay, and this is for the electric tips. Okay, also this is a short menu. Okay, instruction. Okay, okay, we can collect the leg to the from this here. Okay, okay, and collect to the controller. And connect adapter. Okay, plug in. Okay, here is the start button. Okay, we can change the select the color. Okay, and we can enhance the brightness. Okay, okay, see. Okay, this is the flicker. We can change a different mode. Okay, you see. Okay, you can adjust the flicker, slow and faster as you want. Okay, also here we can adjust the microelectronics. Okay, this tip we can put moment. Okay, we can put it here. Okay, we can put it here. Okay, when you put all the tips here, okay, and when you wear on the face, and you can adjust the microelectronics. Okay, you can adjust the power. Okay, from 1 to 9. Okay, and and then you can feel the electronics face. Okay. All right, this is the LED facial mask with neck and with electronics. Okay, and hope you guys like it. If any question, please kindly contact us.